Hey guys, Jan Kua here from Mybizbreakthroughs. In today's lesson, let's look into Google AdWords campaign performance analysis, how this can help you improve your business profits. Once you already started running your ad campaign with Google AdWords, you can create your Google AdWords Performance Report for you to see which day of the week that gives you better conversion. So by doing this will help you improve your business profits. So first, log into your Google AdWords account. Go to Campaign and click Dimensions. From here, you can analyze your performance. As you can see here, we've got one conversion on Thursday. So we've got 41 impressions and 2 clicks. And the cost of that conversion is $2.32. And the average cost per click for this is $1.16. You will see the number of impressions from which day is more better. You can see here we have 2 clicks and 1 conversion. Our average position is 1.8 and the cost per click, the average cost per click is 1.27. This is more expensive than the cost per click on Tuesday. You see this? So you can analyze your performance here. So during Sundays and Mondays, you will notice that I've got lower impressions here compared to Tuesday and Wednesdays. Next is you can click View and the drop-down arrow. When you do that, you can see and click this, the conversions, which will give you conversion category. Let me just make this smaller. So let me just click this again. So there is a conversion that can give you conversion category. You can just click this one. And you will see here conversion category is sign up. So we've got 4 conversions and this is the cost per conversion. And your conversion rate is 28.57. You will see here, and the all conversions is 4. And let's go back here. You can also have the option of clicking the time. So you can click day of the week. So you will see the day of the weeks here. So your impression, your lowest impressions is Sunday and Saturday. So you also need to watch out your average positioning. If you've got an average positioning of 2 and above, that's more better. So as you can see here, we've got 1 conversion that happened on Thursday and 2 conversions happened on Wednesday and 1 conversion happened on Monday. And you can click this to download report and you will have this option of add segment. So when you click this drop down arrow and click time, you will see day, month, week, quarter, year. So it depends on what report you want to pull out. So in this tutorial, I'll just click day and you can add additional segment. So here you can click network and you can click network with search partners. And if you don't want this report, you can just remove. And you can add another segment. You can click device. You can add the device of what your user is using. So let's click device. And you can save this report or email and schedule report. So if you want to add email and schedule report for you every week or every month, you can just click this one. Send to. So I'll just click this, only me with my email. And you can select your frequency. You can just click this drop down arrow, 1 time daily, first day of the week, or weekly. So I'll just click here, first day of the month. Save this report. Your report will be saved in your report tab. You can just name your report. So I'll just put here monthly report and click download. Now once you open your report, you will see this full report in your Excel file. Here we have 1 conversion. So let's see. This is from mobile device. You will see here the device. So from mobile device with full browsers and Google search. And let's see another conversion here. So here's another conversion. It's from computer and Google search. And let's see another conversion. This one. So here is from mobile devices with full browser and from Google search. So that's all for now. If you want to learn more about Google AdWords Mastery, just click the link below this video. Janko here, your breakthrough guide to design your future.